Let's discuss the principal rays for a diversion or double concave lens. Again, the assumption here it's a thin lens and that the rays are very close to the principal axis. We start, like in the previous case, like for the conversion lenses, we start with the ray that is parallel to the principal axis. Now, that light beam, as it refracts, it appears like coming from the focal point. So this is our beam. As it emerges out, it looks like it's coming from the focal point. And that's irrelevant of the position of the object. Okay, now let's look at it in a simulation. Here we go. In all cases, it's going to look like coming from the focal point. Okay. Now the second beam, it's a beam that's going to point towards the focal point in the other side of the lens. And as it comes out, it's going to emerge out parallel to the principal axis. Okay, let's see it in action. Okay, so this is the beam. You see that it is pointing towards the focal point in the other side of the lens, and the emergent beam out is parallel to the principal axis. The third one is the one passing through the center of the lens. Unlike for a convergent lens, that one is not affected, so it stays straight. Okay, let's look at it here, and that's what we got. Okay, no matter where the object is, what orientation of the object, whatever is the orientation of the object. Now, all beams together, they don't meet at the other side of the lens. That's why we call it a divergent lens. It does not allow the beams to converge. Now, however, they are going to look like they are coming from an image in the same side as the object. Okay, let's look at it in action. So this is what we have. See, this is the one coming parallel to the principal axis. It comes out this way. The one pointed towards the focal length coming out parallel. The one through the center. And you see these beams are not going to meet up. But they look like they are coming from this image here that is in the same side of the object. Again, we're drawing it in green, not very visible, to designate that it is virtual, not real. So when you look at the lens from this side, instead of seeing the object, you are going to see an image of the object that is upright but smaller.